I had $0, no job, no skills, no connections, and no one was coming to save me. So I had two choices: stay stuck or figure it out. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly what I would do if I had to start from $0 again. Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. If you have $0, it's not your biggest problem. Your biggest problem is how you think. Because most people, when they have nothing, they panic. They look for quick money, fast results, easy wins, and that's exactly why they stay broke. If I had $0, I would not chase money. I would chase value. Because money always follows value, not the other way around. So step 1, I would pick one skill, not 5, not 3, 1. Because focus is everything. If you try to learn everything, you end up learning nothing. I don't need talent. I don't need experience. I just need time and consistency. That's it. And here's the truth. Most people quit before they even get good. I would choose something simple: writing, editing, design, sales, anything that solves a real problem. Because if you solve problems, people will pay you.
In the beginning, nothing happens. No money, no results, no motivation, just silence. And this is where most people quit. But if you keep going, something small happens. You get your first chance, your first client, your first dollar.
And that first dollar is not about the money. It's proof. Proof that you can create value. Proof that someone is willing to pay you. If it worked once, it can work again. So I repeat, again and again and again. $1 becomes 10. 10 becomes 50. 50 becomes 100. And now, things start to feel real. But this is where most people mess up. They stop improving. They get comfortable. They think they made it. And then, they stay stuck. If I had $0 and reached $100, I would double down. More work, more learning, more action. At this level, I stop thinking about effort and start thinking about systems, because effort has limits, but systems scale. A system means you don't guess anymore. You repeat what works. Same process, better results. I get more clients. I improve my skill. I increase my price. I use tools. I work smarter. And then I hit my first $1,000, and everything changes. Now I understand something powerful. Money is not the goal. The skill is the goal. Because if you have the skill, you can always make money. At this point, I don't just work for money. I make money work for me. I reinvest everything. Better tools, better knowledge, better opportunities. And this is where most people fail again. They start spending on things that don't matter. But I stay disciplined because I remember where I started. This was never about $0. It was about becoming someone who can turn nothing into something. So if I lost everything tomorrow, I wouldn't panic. I wouldn't be scared, because I know I can start again from $0 and win again.